Hello, this is Doc from Ready Set Crypto with your 1-minute market report for Wednesday, April 24th. I'm going to keep this one quick because I just wanted to share a couple of levels that I discussed in my newsletter video last night. First off, as we look at the volume profile for Bitcoin on the Bitstamp exchange, keep in mind that price tends to move between these high volume nodes. Once it gets past a node, it tends to move to the next one, with 6,400 being a huge bullseye. Notice also that above 5,600, there's almost an air pocket on the volume profile because huge candles like this one don't create any support from below nor resistance from above. Congestion levels like these create support and resistance zones. The net result of this is that there's a higher probability that the price will break higher from here to fill that air pocket at 6,000. But price rarely moves in the manner that we expect it to, so if the price wants to explore support levels first, then the first level of support would be at the fib confluence of the 38.2% retracement of the weekly swing and the 50% retracement of the daily swing. And those levels can join at about the 4750 level on Bitstamp. If that level fails as support, then 4,200 is the last line of defense for the bulls. Remember, we're not trying to predict the future here. Price can do whatever it wants to do and quite often does. We're just trying to identify the probabilities ahead of time so that we're being proactive and not reactive. So what do you think? Where do you see the next leg for Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for listening. And we'll see you in the next edition of 1 Minute Market here at Ready Set Crypto.